Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will compare Tesla Model Y versus Mercedes EQB. We'll explore how these two popular electric SUVs stack up against each other. The Model Y is known for its cutting-edge technology and efficiency, while the EQB emphasizes premium comfort and sophisticated design. We'll look at key aspects like driving range, acceleration, interior space, and charging capabilities to help you decide which one best fits your lifestyle. When it comes to performance, the Model Y performance variant is incredibly quick, hitting 60 miles per hour in just 3.3 seconds. The EQB 350 model is also spirited, reaching 60 miles per hour in 5.4 seconds. For range, the Model Y long range can travel up to 337 miles on a single charge, while the EQB 250 Plus offers an estimated 251 miles. Inside, the Model Y features a minimalist design with a large central screen and offers a generous 76 cubic feet of maximum cargo space. The EQB provides a more traditional luxury cabin with 22 cubic feet of cargo space behind its second row. Both vehicles comfortably seat 5 adults, and each offers an optional third row for additional passengers, though the EQB's third row is quite compact. Charging speeds vary significantly. The Model Y can utilize up to 250 kilowatts for DC fast charging, adding many miles quickly. The EQB supports up to 100 kilowatts DC fast charging, allowing a 10 to 80% charge in about 30 to 35 minutes. In terms of value, the Model Y has a starting price around $41,000, while the EQB begins closer to $54,000. For other great deals, including leak-proof meal prep containers, check the links in the description below.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.